Good morning, guys. Bitcoin jumps almost $1,000 in minutes this morning. Our account shoots up about $4,500 in the last hour. We've been reclaiming this account that's been down. A lot of people are down the market. So waking up this morning, being up $4,500, in a single hour was actually pretty amazing to see. And we're currently setting up, just so you guys can see, $6,278 on our other account. So we're doing really well. Guys, here's the deal. I think this is what happened that's causing the soaring price here. Bitcoin soars towards 24K as U.S. inflation slows down to 8.5%. Let's dive in here. Minutes ago, the U.S. indeed outlined a lower inflation number of 8.5% for the previous month, which was 0.2% less than what most predictions envisioned. As with previous examples, Bitcoin reacted immediately. Let me read this again so you guys can hear this. As with previous examples, past times this has happened, Bitcoin reacted immediately and soared by almost $1,000 to just under $24,000. However, the cryptocurrency could be inclined to more volatility in the following hours. History shows. So you guys are waking up this morning. I'm waking up too, and guys, I'm jacked about this. Yeah, I don't think I've made $4,500 in an hour any time in my life. That's been really awesome. Let me take you guys over here. When looking at this, I'll take us into both metrics here, but I want to start here with trend exhaustion, price swell, money flow. Interesting enough, this actually got to the bottom red zone and did a decent job of predicting this. Now, when I say predicting, this is very difficult to say, oh, this called the bottom here, because this is what we call like an anomaly of news. When a news article like this comes out, it just pumps because people are putting their money back into the market. If you look at SPY, you can see that we actually have what's called a gap up, a huge gap up this morning, honestly, guys, and it put us above resistance here. So when you're looking at this, a lot of money has been flowing into the market where this will never even repaint. Do you guys see where this is? This is what we call gap downs and gap ups. So when market closes the previous day and opens the next day, there's so much money flowing into that market that it's gapping up the price. It's actually an incredible thing to watch. So here's something I want you guys to be watching for. I want you guys to come over here. We'll take a look at this. To tradeconfident.io, we're going to look at the metrics now. And let's take a look at Bitcoin, and we're going to look at the SPY to correlate this. This looks like a big move up, guys, but on the 4-hour time frame in one day, it looks like a different story. On the daily time frame, this will update in about an hour here, but let me show this to you guys on the metrics here. This is Bitcoin on the metrics on the daily. Now, if you were to just look at this chart, this doesn't seem like a crazy move up. It just seems, kind of relative to price action. If you take a look at the 4-hour, however, this is a very nice move up here. Here's what I'm watching today, and I want you guys to be watching for as well. If we see a lot of momentum enter this market in the next hour, so when these metrics update at 8 a.m., we could see this candle push up pretty high here. If we do get a sell signal, I would definitely be watching for this to be what's called a bull trap, or for people who are going long, just transition into liquidity back into their normal USDT or USD positions, okay? We've seen this metric called the top to the exact candle, which has been why we've been using this so much, and we've done very well with this. All right, let me take you guys now over to SPY. So the SPY this morning, you guys are going to see a gap up here, and we're going to watch to see what happens if we get another sell signal or what's going on here. This is what happens when you guys have news like this. It throws off indicators, it throws off strategies, it throws everything off because it's an emotional impulse move. And the good thing about, having money, like we've been trying to teach you guys on this channel, of having one account where you're acquiring as many coins as you possibly can, just like we've been doing over here, we're coming over here and we're buying low and we're selling high. Like we end up selling 25% of our portfolio yesterday and it dropped back down. When this comes back down, we're going to be looking to buy those coins again. And if it even happens today, we might be even looking to do that today. But getting back to my point here, we keep 50% of our money, just a little bit more than 50%, in a long-term holding position. So if the market goes up, guys, like this morning, we're up $4,000. We're recouping $4,000. The account is still below break even because everybody's lost a bunch of money, but we've recouped about $4,500 in the last hour. And so it's pretty neat over here to watch this. So let me get you guys to the point. The next biggest thing you guys need to be watching for is, when is this thing going to be exhausted? So I would watch the daily time frame for Bitcoin to see when the next sell signal comes out, and then I would be watching the SPY over here under the stock charts to see when the next sell signal comes out, because it has been doing a very good job of calling market moves back down. So that's honestly what I'm going to be watching for today and tomorrow the most. Okay, so if you guys want to access that real quick, and I want to talk about one more thing. The full website access, $75 a month. You'll get access to all the crypto charts, and that's all 20. And then you're going to get access on top of the 20 to 20 stock charts as well, including the SPY. If you guys just want stocks, you guys can do $49 a month, but $75 will give you access to, just like it says, the entire website. All right, let's talk about the next trade setups coming up because we're making money for you guys with that. We are currently sitting at 400% more than the S&P 500, and because we're at the 84 days since we've been started trading, we're at 0.48% as the highest, the max profit with our strategy. We have basically not lost a single scalping trade. Here is where I'm looking for the next scalping trade, just so everybody knows. Coming on Bitcoin, I'm going to look for this to see if this is potentially a bull trap, and then I'm going to be looking for this to come back down, and then I'm going to be looking to get back into the market on the 4-hour time frame if we get another buy signal or we get what's called a strong buy signal. Let me show you guys, see if we can find one on the Ethereum. It's basically called a strong buy. These are strong sales that we're sitting at. Like, when you guys get a strong sale, definitely be watching for the market to head down really fast. We're going to try to code this metric. Well, basically, we're going to try to code this metric over here into a TradingView indicator very soon, even today or tomorrow, and try to release it to you guys on TradingView so you can actually follow me now on the lower time frames. Because I do believe this is the best metric ever coded to call tops and bottoms. It's why it's literally called tops and bottoms. And, if you're going to call it that, it better be good. So I'm watching for this market, even on Ethereum today, to push up to this level here where we're probably going to get a sell signal and then watch for the move back down. And that's where we're going to look to get back into the market and ride this back up and take some profit on another scalping trade. I'm just being very patient because I'd rather be patient with you guys and calling out trades for all of you guys who are members than just get into the market and say, oh, this is a great time to get in. This is going to throw some retail traders off this morning. They're going to say, oh man, I wish I would have bought back in here. Guys, give yourself grace. You didn't know this was going to happen. Like nobody did. The report just came out and the whole market just reacted to it emotionally. So don't get mad at yourself. You didn't get money back in. You didn't get into a trade. This just happens in life. Like be happy that your account is up this morning. Like that's what you should be celebrating, okay? So guys, I'm looking forward a lot to this week based off what we have coming out for you guys. Based off the indicator as well as, the other scalping trades we're looking to call out. So you guys just need a membership. It's discounted from $95 a month down to $75 a month. Guys, I did talk to the team. Guys, our full intention is to raise this back to $95 a month by the end of the year. So the first of this year coming up, we will grandfather everybody in like we've always done with our members. We'll grandfather you guys in so you'll stay at $75 a month, but we are going to be upping this to $95 a month at the end of the year. That is the full plan because we give a lot of value away. So snag a membership now so you guys can get in there. And as well, last thing, guys, and I'll end this video because I want you guys to get this information, is our indicators that you guys see me using over here where trend exhaustion's low, well money flows low, looking to head back into the market. We use these to look for predictions in the market to see if we're going to move up or move back down. We're still going to intermingle these with the new metrics. But real quick, if you guys want to have here's the best strategy to use this. If you ever see price action making a high and another high, follow me here, a high and another high, and you see the well money flow heading out, and you see the trend exhaustion moving down, this is what's called divergence. This literally shows you guys if the larger transactions are pulling their money out of the market and abandoning retail traders to the upside. If that happens, this is a really crazy indicator down here to predict moves back down. It also happened over here. If you guys can see, we have a high and another higher high. During the same duration, we are seeing money move out of the market. And if you guys can watch this will show you where money's moving. Okay, and if, as you can predict this, as market money is moving out from the wells and retail traders are pushing the market up, it's not sustainable, so we usually see moves back down. If anything, guys, if you just get these two with the new one we've got coming out, I think you'll do really well. Just do this for me, guys, since you got to the end of the video. Use coupon code SAVE MONEY at checkout. Okay, so you're just going to do SAVE money at checkout, and you want to do that on all the individual indicators over here. So the best ones, I'm just going to be honest with you guys, trend exhaustion, price response, money flow. If I'm just going to shoot you straight, be like, look, here's the best ones. It's these two. Use coupon code SAVE MONEY. If you want the bundle pack to get all 9 of them, you guys get 2 Forex indicators never coded on TradingView before. And this guy over here is what we call the jackpot indicator. So the bundle pack is the best deal. We're giving you guys 82% off on that. Lifetime access, you get the source codes. It's a one-time payment and all indicators are included. So snag that if you guys would like. Our new metric that's coming out, which is this one, will be a separate purchase. But for the meantime, guys, we're discounting, all the indicators. We've done this for a while, but you guys are going to be able to get this on discount here, so you guys can take advantage of buying these, and then you guys can purchase the next one if you would like. By the way, I'll end this video here. Everybody who purchases or has purchased the bundle pack will get a massive discount on the new metric when we do release it, which I'm hoping we'll do in the next day or so. So this metric we're going to be releasing, which honestly is better than anything we've ever coded and possibly the best in crypto, we will be sending a huge discount for you guys, a big discount for everybody who has purchased or is purchasing the bundle pack today. Okay, you guys are going to get the bundle pack and you're going to get a huge discount on the next one. How do you qualify for the discount on this one? You guys have a purchase of the bundle pack. And so we're just going to honor you guys because you guys spent money with us. All right, that's it, guys. I know I did a lot of sales. I apologize about that, but I want to get you guys informed about this. I'm watching for the next sell signal coming up here on the 4 hour for Ethereum as well as for Bitcoin. And I would expect this market to get volatile. And I would not doubt if we see actually a consolidation candle tomorrow to move us back down. Watch the metrics, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.